We have never... Oh la vache, je suis déjà essoufflée. Bon, le vlog. Ok, je la refais une dernière fois. It's the big departure of our bicycle trip, which is gonna last 5 days across Normandy, this beautiful region of France. If you don't know it, you have to go, that's a must. It's the very beginning of this trip. Let's go! First, we are gonna stop for some groceries. Vraiment brute et méchante à ça.
Comment vous sentez-vous à l'idée de prendre cette route?
So here we are on our way to the city of Vire as a first stop for today. Both of us are feeling great physically. We're expecting a lot of rain this week, so we are grateful for the current weather right now, which is perfect. I've never done any like cycling trip in my life before, not more than a day trip, and this one is gonna be 5 days, so I'm really excited to see what this is gonna be about and what people we're gonna meet, what maybe pain we're gonna feel. And I'm with this person right behind me who organized it really tightly, so everything is good to go. Français. De très gros rats. Oh my god! The heels! Woo! I was not ready for that at all. Second day of this cycling trip. We have spend the night with a family that hosted us yesterday when they saw us arriving in Vire, and the storm was forecasted, so we spent the night with them. And now they are like escorting us to the beginning of the green line that's made for bicycles and that leads all the way to the Mont Saint-Michel. Merci! Salut! I'm exhausted. So while Philippine is keeping an eye on the bikes, I'm on a mission to get some bread and some fruits for today's lunch. This is quite nice French village in the middle of Normandy. And I'm looking for a supermarket somewhere. Days in our cycling trip already, and we managed to achieve to cycle 40 kilometers today, which is a little bit less than yesterday, but still very good for what we're planning on doing. We have decided to change a little bit our plan because I'm really sick for some reason. I have a throat ache, I have my nose running, I feel terribly tired all the time, so now we are chilling around at our camping spot. We found this lovely old lavatory, so now I'm feeling a little bit better, but today was quite hard, quite demanding of my energy, and we figured we didn't have time to visit anything that we were passing through because we're only cycling all day, which is already something that we are happy about, but still some of the villages that we are going through are quite nice, and we would have liked to stop and take a look, stay a few hours there, take our time more. So all this jabbering for saying that we decided to go to the Mont Saint-Michel, but in 3 days instead of the 2 initially planned. We would like to visit this place and maybe cycle around the area, but going back with a train instead of going back cycling, because it would have taken too much time. And yeah, we just decided to take it slower, which is also a nice change of plan and a nice update in our traveling expectancies. and we're still figuring out how we want to travel this way. So it's really interesting to experience that and see what are our limits, what are our feelings about this type of experience, and it's good to take a step back from it and not necessarily rushing into things. Day 3. It's raining. It has been raining since lunch, so we are gonna quickly cycle while it stopped raining for like 1 hour and then find some shelter because all our stuff are wet. And we're so more and more exhausted, both of us. So this is the adventure. I'm broken. I'm so broken from every inch of my body. Fourth day, we're leaving the small and nice village of Ducé, and that's the final line to Mont Saint-Michel. Mont Saint-Michel. And we are almost along the sea. We already are seeing the salt sheep, as we call them, and this path is absolutely beautiful and amazing. Such a nice treat after the rain of yesterday. I'm blessed. I'm feeling blessed. Saint-Michel! On arrive! Ouais! Woo, 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 woo! Finally arrived in Saint-Michel, and this is so crowded as expected, but it's very beautiful, so we're happy, and we're gonna spend a few hours there to visit around and then take our bicycles back.